And now, your KRCG 13 Storm Vision Forecast with Zac Evans.
It is a clear morning for mid-Missouri, but clouds and rain are both to our west, and we will be seeing those later on, mainly for this afternoon. Now, our air is extremely dry, and that's going to do two things. One, it'll make it tough for that rain to actually make it to the ground, but as the rain falls, it's going to evaporate, which cools the air, which means we're going to see a changeover to snow, or at least some snow mixing in with this rain at times. For now, let's enjoy this sunshine. Temperatures in the teens and 20s with 19 in Columbia, the lakes at 23. Above freezing in Joplin at 33. And we're going to be above freezing for this afternoon. Highs are actually going to be close to normal in the lower to mid 40s. And that is going to help us out, because we're not going to actually see much of that snow stick to the ground. This first batch of moisture is coming from low pressure that's over Texas and Oklahoma. There's another area of low pressure and a strong cold front over the plains. That's going to help set the table for a strong winter storm that's coming for the second half of the weekend. Here's the timing of everything with the hour-by-hour forecast as we head into this afternoon. Look for some occasional rain and snow at times again. It's going to be very hard for much, if any, of this to actually stick to the ground. Could maybe pick up a quarter to half an inch at the absolute most, and that's in our northern counties later on tonight when we cool down below freezing. That front will head towards the south on Saturday, temperatures falling into the 30s. After 7 p.m. Saturday night, we could start to see some snow and sleet, especially on the northern half of the state. That will progress towards the south and southeast on Sunday, and we're going to see waves of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Now, the breakdown for that is mostly sleet and snow for us here in mid-Missouri. North of I-70 is going to see more snow. South of I-44 is more freezing rain. Still a little early to pin down the totals, but those snowfall numbers could be greater than 6 inches for our northern counties. Now, for today, we're not going to see much snow. 44 is our high tonight, down to the 20s at 28. Here's the 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the 30s tomorrow, the teens on Sunday. It's warm air aloft. It'll give us that wintry mix. Starting next week, cold.